channel in can eat or not or try to cook. I will try to cook a new menu that I never cooked before, and today I will cook Korean food. This menu is spicy soft tofu stew. Yeah. But before we will go to see the ingredient and how to cook, could you please subscribe my channel, like and share this video please. Okay, if you already subscribe my channel, let's go to cook together. Let's go. For the next step, we have to set a pan in a middle power and put sesame oil for frying pork. For the next step, after the water is hot, we will put a clam, salt and pepper, and gochujang. And then put kimchi, then put a mushroom. Finally, we got spicy. Oh no, I forget to put chili, and I forget to put Korean chili, around 1 tablespoon. Put the egg. Finally, we got a spicy soft tofu stew. Okay, for the last section, I have a special guest that is my mom. She will taste it and give a point. แม่ลองกินดีแล้วให้คะแนนเท่าไหร่ Can you get is it gonna be delicious or not? How many score does she gonna give us? No, not gonna give us. Gonna give for this 10ให้คะแนน
อร่อย ไม่เคยกินแต่ก็โอเค
She said she never eat this menu before
มีหลายอย่างมันมีหลายอย่างมีเห็ดมีอะไร
มันเป็นอย่างนี้แหละให้คะแนนเต็ม10ไม่เท่าไหร่เต็ม10ไม่ให้เท่าไหร่
ให้9แล้วกัน
ให้9ให้เยอะจังเย้ Actually this kind style of Korean food is not my style but I know it's the taste beef like this look similar like this so for me I will give around 8 if I give I will give 8 but my mom give 9If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and share this video please. And for today, bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ bye bye. And let's see what menu that I'm gonna cook in next video.